Maybe we should think about making this lunch a regular thing.
Come on, Buster.
Ellie, I really miss you.
Half pick your moments.
Yeah, look, I'm not after anything. I just wanted to say it.
Come on, everybody. We're gonna have a sing-song! All
right, I see, Milf. All right, you've had your fun.
Yeah, come on, James. It's time to go.
Oh, looks like we're outnumbered. Don't worry, we're leaving. Oh, how rude of me, Carl. I haven't introduced you to everyone. Now, this is Buster. We've established he's named after a dog.
Oh, come on, Buster. One stick.
No, this is Ellie. Now, I supported her all throughout her ordeal with Nick, and then the selfish cow rejected me. Oh, this is Alfie, the runt of the litter. He who must be protected from the truth. And then, of course, we have the Malex. It's like family fortunes, this, isn't it? Now, we have menopausal Mizbah. We have sulky Gobby Yaz. Oh, self-righteous Sammy. And last but not least, creepy little Imran. Ah!
You're having a go at us after what you've done.
All right, this party's over. Everyone, let's go, now.
Where are you going? I haven't finished yet. And finally, the pièce de résistance. Mummy dearest. Oh, she is a piece of work. Do you know, I didn't realize it at the time, but the wrong parent fell out of that window.
You out and all before I throw you out.
And that would be our cue to leave. What did he mean? I had to be protected from the truth.
Oh, nothing, darling.
Well, no, he must have meant something.